Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a crucial component for anyone who owns a DJI Mavic Air drone and has perhaps had a bit of bad luck. We're talking about a replacement core board, essentially the main motherboard for the Mavic Air. Drones, as amazing as they are, can sometimes encounter mishaps, whether it's a hard landing, an unexpected obstacle, or just the wear and tear of extensive use. When the core internal components like the main board are damaged, it can feel like your expensive piece of technology is rendered useless. That's where a part like this comes in. This is presented as a direct repair part, specifically designed for those situations where accidental damage has occurred, or perhaps the original board has simply failed over time. The idea is to provide a solution that makes the repair process less daunting and more achievable for the user or repair service. It's positioned as a great substitute for the old or malfunctioning board that's currently inside the drone. Finding reliable replacement parts for complex electronics like drones can sometimes be a challenge, so having access to a core component like the motherboard is significant for keeping these devices operational. The listing emphasizes that this is purely the replacement part itself. The drone is, of course, not included. This is important to note, although perhaps obvious to most. What is absolutely critical, and something the seller rightly points out, is the need to confirm your specific drone model before making a purchase. The DJI lineup includes several models, and even within the Mavic series, there are different versions. A mismatch between the replacement board and your drone model will mean the part simply won't work, leading to frustration and wasted effort. So, double-checking compatibility is a non-negotiable step before clicking that buy button. The seller also mentions that if any problems arise after purchasing or during the process, they should be contacted directly for support. This adds a layer of reassurance, suggesting that there is help available should you encounter issues with the part itself or perhaps have questions regarding its installation, although the listing doesn't go into installation details. Ultimately, a replacement core board like this serves a vital purpose. It offers a path to recovery for a damaged or non-functional DJI Mavic Air, potentially saving the owner the cost of replacing the entire drone. It's an essential component for keeping these sophisticated flying machines in the air.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.